Oh, sorry. Okay, romaine lettuce. So we're doing that. The butter crunch is on this side. Yeah, we did butter crunch. Butter crunch lettuce. So we're doing kale, different types of kale. I've got dinosaur kale. I've got curly kale. This is curly kale. The dinosaur kale is the seeds. So, and I'm also doing this kale here. Trying to see the dinosaur kale. Where is that? Okay, I've got all this type of seeds. So this mustard greens, I put some in there. And I had dinosaur kale. So, and some flowers. I've got chives and all kinds of things in here, color greens. So we are going to have a beautiful vegetable garden. So on each row, like this row you see here, that's the calico, row of calico. Then on the edges you can see the little green seeds. I went ahead and put, like in the corner here, I have sage. Can't tell, the sticker is good. The sage. Then I had parsley, and I've got chives lining around the whole garden. I've got chives everywhere. I put a lot of stuff in here in our raised bed, as you can see how my husband made it. We used to have the hoops right there for the netting, so we're going to move the hoops. We're not going to put them back on here. We're going to use some stakes for the netting. I'll have that video later once we did that. And okay, so here's what he's doing right there. And this is the old kale from last year, people. You can see this row right there. There's this one here, and this one. We went ahead and put it in. And I've got, like I said, I got different types of kale. I've got the red Russian kale, which is really good. I like that because it gets so tall, like a bush thing. Like this picture of these different types of kale from the old house 3 years ago. And you can harvest from there. So I put the seeds for that. We wanted to have an early start, so we went to Lowe's, and from Lowe's we got the these little packs of 6, and this was this kale right here, the kale that was in here. So we got like 12 plants of that. And we eat a lot of kale in our house. We love it. And I've got a video of how to cook kale if you want to go check it out in my channel. And I'm just excited what we're gonna do this year. We're planning on doing big. Last year we had some tomatoes in here, and we had some. Please, if you're enjoying this video, subscribe so you can get informed for the future videos that are coming, so you don't miss anything. Also, I just want to say thank you to all my subscribers. We made it to 100 subscribers. Thank you so much. Also, we had a squash. So it did okay, but we had to water it more. So it's not as fun because you have to keep watering in the pot. So this year we're trying to focus more on this raised bed and right around our house. We're gonna put more, and I've got a video of the July garden that I already put on my channel. You can look and see. I did a foodscape. In that video you can see there's kale, there's tomatoes, there's flowers, zinnias, snapdragons, there's okra in there. I had everything, and it was so beautiful. And marigolds, so we put marigolds around, chives, the seeds going on. I've got some marigolds that are gonna come up on that edge, but they were tall ones, so I don't want them to block any sun from this garden, the stuff that are in this garden. So I bought the seeds for the dwarf marigolds that I put only in the corners with the sedge. So also I need to put thyme. I'm gonna go ahead and put maybe in each corner, or like here, put a thyme and put a thyme there. Maybe have like 6 plants in the whole bed. That helps with pest control too. Our tomatoes this year are not gonna be in this bed. We're gonna put them right around the house. If you look on that video I have there on my channel, you see the tomatoes. We're gonna put more this time. Thank you guys for watching, and thank you for subscribing. I'm so happy. Thank you so much. You have a blessed day. So right now my husband is watering. He's watering the vegetables. Oh man. So excited. Can't wait to eat this. And this, you see these little sticks. We got these sticks from Dollar Tree. And we put it around the garden. This year we're gonna try to use that to hold the netting for pest control and deer control and rabbits control. So as you can see, they're all around to hold the netting right there. We used to use the hoops over there, but this year we're doing it differently. So guys, this is what we did. We put a netting already here. And it's beautiful. That's gonna help with the pest and also with the rabbits and the deer. And you can see we've got that pot with soil in it holding the netting down. PVC pipes here. My husband did a good job here with the netting. We're gonna get some bricks or some rocks to really help with this. So there it is. 2025 garden.